Amazon is full of kitchen gadgets that look great on your feet and end up in a drawer forever. Not these 5. I've tested dozens so you don't waste money on plastic junk. These actually work. Here's the list. The Fullstar vegetable chopper is one of those gadgets you don't think you need until you use it once. Then you'll never go back. I've spent years dicing onions and chopping bell peppers by hand, crying the whole time. This thing cuts that down to about 10 seconds. It comes with 4 interchangeable blades: dice, chop, julienne, and spiralize. I prepped a whole week's worth of veggies for stir fry in under 5 minutes. The container holds everything, so you chop directly into the bowl. No extra mess on your cutting board. The blades are stainless steel and actually sharp, not the dull garbage you get on cheap choppers. One honest piece of feedback. The suction cup base works best on smooth countertops. On textured surfaces, it can shift a little. Also, hand washing is recommended. The dishwasher will dull the blades faster. But for anyone who cooks regularly and hates prep work, this is a lifesaver. Cleanup is fast too. Just rinse under the tap. Full details and current pricing are linked in the description below. The Ninja AF 101 air fryer is the one air fryer I recommend to everyone. Not the fanciest, not the most expensive, just the one that works every single time. I've made frozen French fries, chicken wings, salmon, and even roasted vegetables in this thing. Everything comes out crispy on the outside and tender inside. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for 2 to 3 people. It fits 4 chicken breasts or a whole bag of fries. The temperature goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the fan circulates heat so well you don't need to flip halfway through. What I love most? The ceramic coating is non-stick and hasn't scratched after months of use. The basket pulls out smoothly and goes right in the dishwasher. One honest downside, it's not huge, so if you're cooking for a family of 5, you'll want the larger 5.5 quart model. Also, it beeps loudly. Your dog might hate it. But for the price and reliability, this air fryer is a winner. Check the description for the link and current deals. The Thermapen 1 is expensive for a thermometer. I'll say that up front. But after using cheap ones that take 5 seconds to give a wrong reading, I get it now. This thing gives you a precise temperature in 1 second. Literally. I've tested it on grilled chicken, reverse seared steak, and even bread. The foldable probe is thin enough to poke without leaving a huge hole, so juices stay inside your meat. The screen automatically rotates based on how you hold it, which sounds silly until you're leaning over a hot grill. The battery lasts forever. I'm talking years on one AAA. Waterproof rating is IP67, so you can rinse it right under the sink. My honest feedback, yes, it costs more than a basic thermometer. But if you cook meat even twice a week, you'll stop overcooking things immediately. That alone saves you money. Also, the button is stiff at first, but breaks in. For home cooks who want restaurant results, this is the only thermometer you'll ever need. Full specs and the best price are waiting for you in the description below. The KitchenAid Cordless top-down chopper is the most fun I've had with a kitchen gadget in years. You just pull the cord on top, like starting a lawnmower, and the blades spin instantly. No batteries, no charging, no cords. I use this to chop garlic, herbs, nuts, and even a small onion. The blades are stainless steel and sharp enough to give you a fine mince in about 5 pulls. The 1.5 cup capacity is small but perfect for when you don't want to haul out a full food processor. The whole thing comes apart and goes in the dishwasher. One thing I genuinely love, because it's cordless and small, I actually use it. It lives on my counter. Feedback-wise, it doesn't work well for large quantities. Don't try to chop 4 onions at once. Also, the pull cord takes a little wrist strength. My mom struggled at first, but for quick jobs like chopping herbs for a garnish or making fresh salsa. This thing is brilliant. Link is in the description below. The OXO Good Grip Salad. Spinner sounds boring compared to the other gadgets here, but let me tell you, wet salad is sad salad. I used to pat my greens dry with paper towels, wasting so many sheets. This spinner changed everything. You press the soft knob on top and it spins the basket at high speed. The brake button stops it instantly. I've spun lettuce, kale, fresh herbs, and even washed berries. The basket is large enough for a whole head of lettuce and the outer bowl doubles as a serving bowl. One feature I genuinely appreciate, the non-slip base means it stays put on my counter while I'm pumping. The whole thing is dishwasher safe, and OXO's customer service is legendary if anything breaks. Honest feedback, it takes up cabinet space. It's not small. Also, the pump mechanism can get squeaky after a year of use. A little cooking oil fixes it. But for anyone who eats salads regularly, this is not a waste of money. It's a genuine upgrade to your routine. Check the description for the link and current pricing. That's 5 kitchen gadgets that actually earned their spot on your counter. No drawer graveyards here. Which one are you adding to your cart? Comment below, and don't forget to check the description for all the links. Subscribe for more honest reviews. Now go cook something good.